Introduction to Math Order of Operations. In this video, we're going to unlock one of math's most important secrets, the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. Getting the right answer in math often depends on doing things in the right order, just like following a recipe or assembling a puzzle. Here's what we'll cover. The story behind PEMDAS. Simple and intermediate examples to show the rules in action. Common mistakes and warnings so you can avoid the usual traps. A quick wrap-up to keep everything fresh in your mind. And at the end, we'll tackle some challenging examples, perfect for practice or quick review. Let's dive in and make sense of math operations order step by step. What is PEMDAS?
I always hear, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally" in math, but what does this phrase mean?
Great question. It's actually a simple trick to help us all solve complicated math problems the same way. The acronym PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. It's called a mnemonic, a tool to help you remember the correct order for handling math operations.
So why does order matter so much?
Think of it like building a gadget from instructions or following a recipe. If you skip ahead or put parts together in the wrong order, you won't get the right result. That's why mathematicians everywhere agreed. Everyone follows the steps, so answers always match, no matter who does the calculation.
And what about multiplication and division, or addition and subtraction? Is there a trick to those?
Yes, multiplication and division are done together, left to right, whichever comes first. Same for addition and subtraction. It's not always all multiplication before all division. It's about position in the expression.
So as long as I follow the order, I'll get the right answer?
Yes, remember the phrase, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," and follow that order as shown previously, and you will always have the right answer. Don't worry, we will have a few examples for you next.
Awesome, thank you.
Example 1. Try this one with mixed operations. Did you get it right? Example 2. Try this one. Just remember parentheses, brackets, and braces are containers and are handled the same. Did you get this one right? Example 3 is the more complicated multiplication, addition, and subtraction mixed operation. Did you get this one right? Example 4. Did you get this one right? Example 5. Did you get this one right? Example 6. Did you get this one right? When you step into a container that is parentheses, brackets, or braces, it's a form of recursion where you are within that container and start the PEMDAS process all over again. That pretty much wraps up the use of mathematical order of operations. To get everything right, you need to practice. After a while, it becomes second nature, and you won't even think about it.